Hello and welcome to this Minute Insight series video. In this video I'm going to look at some of the challenges faced with virtual consultancy and how we can overcome them. So one of the biggest challenges is managing this change from an existing system to this new virtual system. And what I'd say is it's really about getting the whole team's buy-in early on before implementing the new virtual system so they're all on board with it. Now, that means educating them with the benefits of virtual consultancy and the proof of concept and how it's going to work. Make sure they're on board with it and want to go ahead with it to make it a success. And within that process, I think you need to find a champion for change. So someone within the team who's going to be using it, who's going to drive it forward and help others get on board with it. And then thirdly, what I'd say is make sure there's enough adequate training for the whole process. So as well as training them initially, make sure there's ongoing training and keep everyone updated on the system. And if they do have a question, make sure they know where to go to find that answer. Don't just leave them in the dark.